On our last video, we started dismantling the inside of the trailer. Here is a continuation of us dismantling it from the inside. Okay, right there is a little bit of wood pile from some of the stuff that Aaron here has tossed out. Now he's got this piece that don't hit the dog.
Okay, so this bar?
Yeah.
This bar, I believe, is the chain that lifts this thing.
Yeah, it's what
lifts across both sides.
The roof.
Yeah.
It goes out and connects to that handle piece right there.
And then, oh yeah, definitely.
Oh wow, look at that.
You're shifting. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Now you know what that's for.
Yeah. But the thing is, okay, alright, and that lifts the other side.
Now you know what it's for.
Yeah, and we can lubricate this too while we get it open.
Yeah, we have grease.
We have grease.
I'd want to clean it a little bit though.
Yeah. See, look at this. Like, the wiring on this is just junk. See? Blue wire here. And then it's just junk. We'll put all this wire correct. We'll redo all the wiring now. Put it all in conduit. Make it look correctly.
Okay.
So you don't have this stuff floating around and just popping in and out of every little orifice. There.
Bring it up to code.
Yeah.
Safety.
So,
okay.
Okay, so this is a little plastic box that closes. This is good because this gives us that. You can definitely oil this.
You want me to go get the grease?
Yeah, we'll put some grease on it. We won't do it right now because it's up. And in order to get that lubrication to move around, we need it to move up and down, up and down.
Good point. Okay.
So, okay. So then that chain goes around down there and operates the other side. So that's what's behind this, is the other side. What size is that, Gidget?
It is a 3/8.
And you're removing the old roller bar?
Yeah, we're removing this old roller wheel that supported the center of the bed piece that was here. There it is.
Alright. Yeah, on this corner, overweight top, and we get the door replaced.
Okay.
Alright, close this thing again.
Still doesn't quite fit in there though.
No, but I wonder.
That helped a little.
How's the door look?
Not bad. Looks, no. Still got a little gappage, but it's not bad.
Not as bad as it was.
Yeah.
Well, this side's still pretty high, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit. That is what it looks like now. And here, at this point, this is where the camper teardown took a little bit of a bad turn.
This is all ruined.
Yeah.
It's totally rotted.
And I'm standing outside the camper, and I can smell it.
Yeah, it's only really...
Watch your eyes. Yeah, look how soft that is. I can smell it.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get a new roof. Yeah, that's a lot worse than sweater.
After taking some time away from the trailer, Aaron got a burr up his saddle to mess with the trailer, so we came out here, took some of the edging off on that piece right there, to expose the wood, and now he just ripped off the other side of the canvas.
That canvas is not just in bad shape, it is junk. I would use other words, but this will probably go as a live video, so we can't use those words. Can you get the square screw? We'll take those two Velcros off. Oh yeah. That'll work, kids.
Cool. You can stick your head in there a little bit and see if that board's any good.
It looks okay. All the way to here. That plastic piece is junk.
And what else is new?
The outside board looks okay. Probably gonna do the same thing on this side that we did on this side. Are we doing it on this side? I think I could hold this down like that with a clamp. You know? So it'll hold that in space. That'll work.
Okay. What you doing now?
That's pushing like that. I'm trying to push this wood. Looks like it's correct there. Take a little flat screwdriver and we'll pop this up so we can just see it. But I think that this is the correct distance so that we can replace, so that we can repair this piece. I think we can just drill this. This wood looks completely savable, except for here where that old screw was. But I think we can use like just some small screws, go through this piece and into this wood, and we'd be good. And then that'll keep that at the same spot. Now, we still have to worry about the water damage on the inside, but this piece seemed to be okay. So I think all the water damage is from here. See, get in here and you see this. You see that?
Yeah.
That's where all that water damage is from. It all came in the center here and went to the sides. So I think if we can fix the frame piece here in the four corners, that corner looks a little saturated. See that one? Mm-hmm. That corner looks okay. This corner looks pretty decent. You got the same screw issue, the same nail issue that other one did. And this, oh, no wonder why this thing's been so hard to pick up. The screw that goes down here is missing. You can put crash point screw out of this, but you see this one here? Mm-hmm. That should have a screw here so that that sits straight. No wonder why that's been a pain. What about the other side? Is that, get underneath that cloth, you can see it.
Oh, yeah. And this is still just at the beginning. So if you want to continue to see the rebuild of this trailer, tune in next week and see what happens.